When you download an app on your iPhone, it leaves a record on the phone even after you delete the app. Here, for example, is an app that I used to have on my phone, but I later deleted after canceling my subscription. You'll see how a previously installed app will show up in the App Store with this cloud icon next to it, indicating that it's been previously downloaded. The reason for this is that the icon indicates you've had this app before, and you can re-download it without a payment in case you're looking at a paid app. An app that's never been downloaded would show up like this with the Get button next to it. If you want to fully wipe your download history, go to the front page of the App Store and then tap your profile in the top right corner. Go to Apps and you'll see a full list of apps that have been downloaded using this Apple account, including apps that have been later deleted. To remove an app from this list, you can tap and hold it and then choose Hide, or just swipe to the left to hide an app. There's another tab here for apps that have been downloaded using the same Apple account on other devices. So if you have an iPad, for example, you'd see those apps here. After I hide the app, it's been fully removed from my download history and now shows up in the App Store just like any other app that I've never downloaded. Hiding works per Apple account, so if you're signed into the same account on multiple devices, hiding affects all your devices. Hiding an app doesn't affect screen time records though, so if you've spent time using an app, it might show up in your screen time. I'll be making a separate video on how to reset screen time records, and I'll link it below if you're interested. And that's how you clear your download history. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to get quick access to hundreds of quick tutorials like this.